and welcome to today's tip. Now I've just cut out a heart just by folding a piece of paper roughly the same size as my card in half, and I'm laying it down on my card. Now you might want to stick yours down, or you might just want to hold it, like I'm just going to hold it today. And then I've gone through my collection of stamps and chosen my nice small script stamps, and I've got my black archival ink here, and all I'm going to do is start building up my stamps, so making sure that the letters or words go over the top of the edges, particularly of the heart. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish off with the date of the person's birthday. I've got a date stamp here, and it looks really nice, just putting a personal touch on for the date. Okay, and then when we lift that off, we're left with this really beautiful heart with all of the script on the inside. I might add a congratulations over the top, and that card's finished. Isn't it beautiful? I hope you've enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you next time.